This is the transformer portable automatic fold-up scooter. So this scooter will fold up automatically with a touch of button. We'll cover that in a second. But this is called the transformer portable automatic fold-up. This is an amazing little scooter. This little scooter has a 300-pound weight capability. So it's very lightweight. It has a lithium battery, so it's approved for airline transportation. But just pay attention to what I'm going to show you here today, because this scooter will fit a lot of people. Then again, some people are going to be too big for this scooter. So again, the seat on the scooter is 15.5 inches wide, 15.5 from here to here, by about 14.25, okay? The arms do flip up, and the seat does fold down. The seat does not swivel because it's a folding scooter. It's not going to fold, it's not going to swivel, okay? So this scooter, right now, the way it's set up, it weighs a total weight of 54 pounds, or 55 pounds. So it has a total weight of 55 pounds, like I just mentioned earlier. You can take the battery pack out. This is your battery pack right here. It comes right out. This weighs 4 pounds. So you could technically fold this scooter and put this in your suitcase when you travel. That's probably what I would do. Put this so you don't lose the battery. This is your lithium battery. And this scooter is approved for airline transportation. The battery is small enough, even though it's lithium, they will take it because the battery is a smaller size, and that's what's approved for transportation on the airline industry. So again, this has a 300-pound weight capability. We do have solid tires on the scooter. Look solid in the back, solid in the front. The scooter is 37 inches long, so 37 inches long. The width of the scooter from here to here is 17 inches. Now, it may be more in the arm, but you can take the arms out, then 17 inches will be your width if you take the arms out, okay? And the arms can be taken out. They can unscrew right here, and you can take the arm right out, okay? So a lot of people on these small scooters, they don't even use the arms. But that's how you would take the arm off right there. Let's look at the control up front. It's got a nice design here to drive your scooter. You have 2 keys that come with your scooter, and there's your fog. This is what you're going to use to fold the scooter right here. You have your forward right here, and reverse right here. Okay, you can do it either way. You have a horn button here. You have your speed button right here. This is your speed button. You can go from slow to all the way fast, which is about 3.5 miles an hour. And you have your battery gauge. You're going to lose your lights as you're going down. So when you lose the green lights, you're 3/4 full. When you lose all the orange light, you're down just to the red lights, you might have an hour or so of driving time. Okay, so the scooter does come with its own battery pack. So if you're traveling, because this battery pack is very small, you can keep this in your purse. And if you go somewhere and you're running out of battery, or you think your batteries are low, while you're eating, you can just plug your charger right here, right in the back of your scooter, plug it right in here, and as you're eating, charge it for an hour or so. It'll give you some more time if you think you're a little low on the battery. Okay, so you do get the battery charger with it. Now, let me take the fog off, and we'll show you how this scooter folds. I'm going to take this portion off. Okay, so you take your fog and you press the B button, and you will see your scooter start folding. Amazing little gadget here. And when you have to press it twice. The reason it doesn't keep going is just in case there's something, you have a cat or something there, it doesn't fold the cat into your scooter. So you hit it again, and now it'll fold the rest of the way. And now you're ready to go. Turn your key off, and you can just travel with your scooter like you see in the commercials. And right here, this total weight right here is 55 pounds, okay? So that's the automatic fold up. I'm going to turn the key back on. I'm going to use the fog again, and this time I'm going to hit the A button. And now you'll see it. It's going to unfold. Again, it'll stop. So you're going to hit the A button a second time. Make sure your cat's not under there. And now you fold your seat back up, and you're ready to go, and you're ready to travel. So this is the Transformer portable automatic fold-up scooter, the only one on the market with a remote to fold it. So what if you lose your remote and you don't have your remote with you? How can you fold this scooter? So if you don't have the remote right here, you can just hit the button right here. You have to hold it, okay? And the scooter if I hold the right side, it'll probably be better. It'll fold automatically. Again, it's a two-stage, so once it's halfway folded, you would have to hit the button one more time. And it unfolds. Let me do that again. This is your folding. And then you do it again. And you're ready to go. So I'm going to unfold it. I'm going to hit the manual button back here. I'm going to do it again. It's a two-stage all the time. So this, if you lose your remote, you can do it from back here. You do have tip wheels right here, anti-tip wheels. Right now, if the scooter's in gear, so if I want to push this scooter around right now, it's in gear, there's a little lever back here. It's all the way on the back side, there's a little lever, and if I push it in, and when you do that, make sure your key is off. So when you push it in, your scooter's in neutral. Push it back in gear, bring the red lever back out, then turn your key back on, it resets the computer. Your tiller here is adjustable. Several different positions. You can put it anywhere you want. It releases automatically. When I hit it, it goes back to the top. So you have an adjustable tiller. This is called a tiller. So let's recap. Now, let's talk about the distance on the scooter. The manual says you're going to get from 8 to 13 miles on the battery charge, between 8 and 13 miles on the battery charge. So that all depends what kind of surface you're on, the weight of the user, if you're going uphill, and all kind of good stuff. So let's recap. This is the Transformer foldable portable automatic scooter. You have a fog with it. You can just hit the button. It'll fold itself up and you can carry it like we just demonstrated here a couple times. It has a lithium battery. It's approved for airline transportation. The seat is 15.5 by 14.25 wide. The arms do flip up. And you have your forward here, and you have your reverse over here. And you have a beeping horn. When you reverse, you'll hear a beeping horn. And you have a speed gauge here, and you have an adjustable tiller, solid tires. The scooter is 17 inches wide. If you take the arms out, it's 17 inches wide by 37 inches long. When it's folded, the total weight is 55 pounds. If you take the battery pack out, that brings you back down to 51 pounds because the battery pack weighs 4 pounds. So if you're looking for a lightweight scooter, you can throw in the back of the car, go to the airport, take grandma to the store, flat surfaces in someone's home, you're traveling, and you don't want to bring your big scooter or your power chair. This would be a really, really nice one to look at. And again, this scooter is called the Transformer Foldable, Portable, Automatic Foldable Scooter, and it's available right now.
It's actually, I think it's 3.5 miles, but it's pretty zippy. It's like, it's hard to explain, but you would think something this small, this lightweight would have, not a lot, but it has quite a bit of power. There's no suspension on these because they're fold-up scooters, but they're great if you're going to go to the mall, transport, on vacation. You can fold it, 55 pound by when it's all folded, 51 pound if you take the battery pack out. Carry your little charger with you in case you run out of battery. You can always recharge it while you're sitting around. I mean, I think it's a nice little scooter if that's what you're looking for, something portable, and you don't want to carry your big wheelchair or your big scooter. This would probably fit the bill.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.